So guys, here we have is our gold, meaning which is XAUUSD. Let's try and see where this price will be moving by the way for the next day. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so, like, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So I mean, this gold right there, by the way, you can see the full trend on this gold that is being made, which is actually a bearish move. Clearly this price has been dropping, and I've also included this 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading it. Once the price is below it, then we have to actually short it. But if it is above it, then we have to go long. So I mean, so since this price is still below 10 period moving average, we have to actually short it. We still expect this price to actually drop further down. But as this current time, it is actually ranging. Now take a look at this movement, why it is ranging. We saw that there's one time price was actually dropping, then price kind of gave us a pullback here. If you notice that this pullback, it's actually range within this pullback level. We saw this bullish move, then a bearish, then a bullish, then a bearish before price actually broke below and dropped. Now if you see that this price actually broke above it, now price has come down. We're all expecting it to actually drop to this same low level here, but before it actually gets to this same lowest level, we would very much likely see its range within this area which we once talked about. And now that price is actually ranging, right? You can see you can see it, giving us this red candlestick green. You can see this red again. The next one we should be seeing is actually green. So I mean, price should be ranging within this level, which is more visible by the way on the for our time frame. We will go to it later, but clearly we can see that this gold is actually ranging, and we should actually range with it before we actually get a drop. But the full trend is that this gold is actually dropping, and it will drop. Now if you are to see this gold, we are on a bearish move, right? This is a pullback, right? After the pullback level, we would expect another bearish move on this our gold. Now I'll tell you, I want us to look at it from this USD index aspect of it. I want to show you this correlation in this USD index. I think this was about on the 7th. This was about July, right? There was a time when this gold was actually going, giving us this bullish. If you notice at that same period, which is on the 7th, yeah, on if you notice on the 7th also on our USD index, right, we started having this bearish move, right? As the USD index was giving us that bearish move, then we started seeing a spike in our gold, right? And then this gold, as this gold was giving us this bullish move, which is 0.9, we can see that this same 0.9 period, we can see that this USD index was dropping. So meaning as USD index is going bullish, we will see a drop on our gold. But if this USD index is giving us a bearish move, then we would see a bullish move on our gold to our USD. So this is the correlation. Now that is our movement. So food trend is that this USD index is giving us a bullish move, right? If you have to zoom it properly, we will see that this was the higher highs, and now this gold has dropped. We are expecting another new higher highs to be made to actually break this previous higher highs, and new higher highs would be made, right? In order for it to be made, we should see a bullish move, a pullback this level, then again another bullish move would be made on this gold, right? On this USD index. Now, is this pullback on the USD index over? Definitely not. The reason is that we would have to roll down to the 4-hour time frame. So take a look at this 4-hour time frame by the way. So we would highlight some key levels we can see on the 4-hour time frame. So this is the level we can see. Price came to this level and dropped, and it's also reacted at this level, and we saw this price broke below this level. It's going to test that same level, right? And now this price is dropping. So the next level we clearly can see this price dropping to is this level here. So definitely, as we are seeing a drop on our USD index, I want us to actually go to our gold and also go to 4-hour time frame on the gold. As we are seeing this bearish move on USD index to this level, then we will see that rise on our gold, right? So we would highlight the same level. So price has tested here multiple times. We saw it 1 year, we saw it tested this level twice, then dropped. So we are seeing it rise up to this same level again. We should actually come to this test this level. Then once this USD index comes to this level, and then it will correct itself by giving us that bullish move as we are all expecting. So once the bullish move starts occurring on the USD index, then we're very much likely to see a bearish move on this gold, by the way. So you can kind of see it on the 4 hour time frame on our good, like a range market move, right? And you can see this as the support, top here as a resistance, then it came to our support, and again it went to our resistance. Now it is as this support. Of course, we should see that rally movement on our gold to our resistance level, then again to our support level. So currently we are expecting this price to give us a bullish move to our support level before we see a drop. So I mean, gold kind of ranging on the 4 hour time frame until price actually break this previous candlestick week here, then we will continue to go bearish on this our gold.